So when we've been sitting at desks and computers all day, the front of the hip gets really tight. This is a great little break in your day. It takes just a couple of minutes. I'm putting the ball right on my sit bone. You feel for the bone right there. Get it right, this black ball, right smack dab on the bone. Now, if you'll feel, you can go up a little forward and backwards. Now, I'm going to sink on the bone and take it to the inside edge. So I move it towards the center of my body. So I'm on that inside edge. I can reach back here and feel a little bit of my spine. I'm going to bend my foot here, and I'm going to take it a little bit backwards. And take a little breath there. I'm going to bear weight and take it a little forward on that sit bone on the inside. So I can do that a couple of times. Now I'm going to get it back on the center bone, and I'm going to just take it out a little bit. So I'm right smack dab in the center, kind of where we started. I'm going to take it behind the sit bone and sink there. It lifts the glutes a little bit away from that sit bone. I'm going to bear weight, take it just below the bone a little bit, and I'm in the hamstring tendons and back on the bone. So do that a couple of times. You could do this 2 to 3 times. I'm back on the center of the bone, and now I'm going to bear weight, and I'm going to lean more into this hand here as a kickstand, and I'm going to take it to the outer edge of the bone. You'll feel your hip bone right here, your trochanter of your thigh bone, and I'm going to take it a little bit backwards. It's a lot tighter here, and I'm going to take it a little forwards, and I can feel that thigh bone, and a little bit backwards. Actually, thigh bone where sit bone kind of come together here. You'll feel it, even if you can't visualize what I'm talking about. You just feel for it. You'll feel that there's a space, the edge of the bone. Take that out and just feel the difference, and make sure you do the other side.